Hi everyone, this is a quick video lesson to help you complete your unit reflection. This is for your Unit 1, the human connection. Remember that the statement of inquiry is moral character is developed when it's tested through connections with people or the environment. The directions are to write a reflection using the frames or your own writing about your learning experience with this unit. Use at least one of the bullet points in the topic left column, here's the topic column here, to complete the sentence frames in the frames column. This would be this column here. Watch this video for help following the directions. When you look at the frames, you'll see this little coding. The words that are red and in brackets, you're going to select one of the word choices inside the brackets. If they're highlighted in blue, it means select one of the bullet points in the left column. And then anything that's highlighted in yellow means you're going to put in your own words. So let's get started looking at the different columns and how to complete it. Oh, and I need to mention, remember that you're only writing in the white boxes, and I'll point that out again as we go through this. Coming over here to topic, you'll see the first topic is Atl Skills. For this assignment or unit, you had two different Atl skills. The first was organizing information, story structure, and the second was use appropriate forms of writing for different purposes and audiences by including dialogue, imagery, and figurative language. Now over here under the frames, you'll see a frame. It says one skill I, and in red you have two choices, learned or improved upon, and you would be selecting one of these, was, and then you're going to highlight one of these skills. I did this by, and you can choose by or through, and you say my work on, and it would be what was the work that you did, where you practiced and either learned or improved upon that skill. And this skill will help me in the future, by or because, and then you'll give your response there. Now, you're not to complete your frame up in here. We wanted to keep this one so that sometimes people erase the frame and accidentally and they don't know what it said. So you're going to make your changes down here in the white section. I'll help you with this first one so you can get a feel for it. So it starts with one skill I, and I'm thinking I'll say improved on because for most of you, you'll probably learn these skills in the past. One skill I improved upon was, and then it's in blue and it says Atl skill. So I'm going to come over here and decide which one of these was one I improved on. And I'm going to say it's the second Atl skill. So I'll come back over here. I will erase this and put that in. I did this, and I can say by or through. And I'll say by. My work on, and I have to remember when I did this, and it would be on enhancing the narratives. This skill will help me in the future, and I'll say because, let's see, I might be writing more narratives for other English classes or for college applications. I'll say college essay applications. So you don't have to write exactly this, but this is to give you an idea of how to complete it. Remember, we're leaving it the same up here in the gray, and you're going to write in the white. Let's go down to the next topic. This topic is work habits. And there's 5 different work habits. reading and responding to teacher comments, time management, class participation, collaboration, or other, which is where you can put in something different. On this one, you have two different frames. The first one is something I feel I did well during the unit was, and you pick one of these work habits, because, and explain why. And the other one is something I could improve for future units is, and you pick one of the work habits and you have a response. Again, you're going to complete in this box here. Coming down to the next topic, it's learner profile, IB learner profile attributes. The two for this unit, the focus were risk takers and communicators, and you need to complete this frame. One IB attribute I demonstrated during the unit was being a, and you can say risk taker or communicator, and explain why. Now we'll come to the statement of inquiry, and you're going to complete this frame. I agree or disagree with the statement of inquiry that the moral character is developed when it's tested through connections with people or the environment because, and explain why you feel that way. For the inquiry questions, you have your debatable question, who or what determines what is morally right? You will complete this frame, I believe or don't believe that blank determines what is morally right. You did complete this in the introduction to the unit, and you may have the same answer or maybe not now that we've been studying it this unit. This last section is optional. It's advice or reflection for the teacher. What is something your teacher could change to improve the unit for future students? And write your response here. One thing my teacher could change to improve the unit for future students is blank. And please make it specific to the assignments or the teaching methods so it's really understood and I can take that forward with me. Okay, good job, and then turn it in when you're done.